So first thing first, we have to load the dataset into Power BI. So let's do that. So this is the dataset which we are going to visualize. So let's click on load. It's gonna take some time to load. It's loading. Finally. So the very first visualization which we're gonna implement is line chart. So let's do that. So you can see over here, MS Dhoni dismissed 61 in 2007, 48 in 2009, 2011 it's 49, and so on. Okay. So through first visualization, we got count of dismissals by year. Okay. So now let's move on to the next visualization, which is bar chart. I'm gonna use a clustered bar chart over here. Okay, for this, I'm gonna have opponents in y-axis and count of catches in the x-axis. So you can see against Australia, he made 107 catches as a wicket keeper, which is quite a feat to achieve, I tell you. Okay, so let's put it over here. Okay, so let's fastly move on to the third visualization, which is donut chart. Hmm. So we can see at which particular ground he made the most catches. So 20 catches Delhi, Nagpur 21, Colombo 23, similar, in different stadiums. You can see. Also, you can see dismissals by ground as well. Uh, and also, we can see in which format he made the most dismissals. So, around 350, as you can see in ODI, 98 in T20, and 166 in Test. Okay, so let's have another visualization, final one, which is going to be bar chart. So I'm going to use clustered bar chart. So this is a very fast paced tutorial which you can do in just 15-20 minutes. You know, it's a very beginner friendly tutorial. So it gives you a complete idea what Power BI exactly is. And so in bar chart, we can have ground, and in the x-axis, we can have dismissals. So he made most dismissals at Mirpur. Okay, perfect. So that's it. So now let's add a KPI card. Total number of dismissals 614. And let's have another KPI card. Total number of catches. So dismissal catches one same thing. Let's not have it. Let's have another KPI card catches as a okay wicket keeper is not there. Now let's change the visualization part. So I've added the opponent part over here. So let's uh, change the design of it. Okay, remove legend, remove data labels, click on general, title, dismissals, white, format, make it white, Okay, keeping it in center. Arial black. Okay, all good, I guess. Similar with the second dashboard. Okay, and title is white. Dismissals by ground. Making it white. 2x. Values of title of x-axis. Values of title of. Let's keep things very minimalistic. So over here, let's have it white. A little transparency, not much. Similar over here. Let's remove the values, remove the title, keep background to white, keep it around 76, 77. Visual border on, making it white, 20 px, 2x, white, making it white. Perfect. Making it white, making it Arial black, keeping it in center. Okay, removing values, no title, and lines color should be white with around 20%. Okay, similar over here, make it white. Okay, okay, making it white. Perfect. Now let's keep it white. Catches by opponent. Okay, so keeping it white. Okay, I think we are done. Hmm. So now let's change the slices design as well. Make it drop down. Okay, visual border on. Make it white, 20 px. Make it white. Okay. Okay, I think it's all done, I guess. Okay, let's change the shadow here. Hmm. Let's add the slicer over here. So this is a very basic dashboard which we have built. Very simple, very easy to do. You can try it out. So let's, I think, change the color over here as well. Let's keep it okay, 4020. Let's have it. Okay. Okay. So we all done, I guess. So this is what our final visualization looks like. Thanks for watching.